Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Zama. I'm back again guys with another video. So let's make some tea. I just finished doing my Ministepper workout guys. So for all those who are new guys, you are welcome to the family. Feel free, enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please just hit that subscription button here guys, below. Alright, so yeah guys, I just started with my Ministepper workout. I just finished doing my live stream. I did a live stream in the morning guys. For those who follow my challenges on live, I just finished doing my live stream, and then I just did my Ministepper like 20 minutes in here, and I just in here too, you see. So yeah, now I want to drink my tea. In the morning I did take I did mix my tea, but yo guys, I couldn't drink that tea. Yo, I didn't have lemon. Then get lemon guys. So now I went down guys, I went to buy lemon. So this is my boiling water. Already it's boiling. Alright. So as I was saying, this is my boiling water. It's already boiled. Guys. So let me drink my tea. And I want to mix the combo there for my hair growth guys. I want to do it with you. So let's prepare this tea first. Yeah. Let's prepare the tea first, and then we do the concoction, the hair growth spray. But I'm just soaking it overnight, then tomorrow we start doing the process of steaming. Honey? Yo, what a mess. Remember guys, there are 3 inside. They come like this, 3 of them. So Yabona guys, it will last me forever because I'm still struggling to finish this one. So if you want, you can buy this green tea, or you can buy this slimming green tea. I drink these 2 guys. They help me a lot, especially because I have that thing of bloating. I've got a problem of bloating stomach. So I make sure I drink my green tea. Wow. So yeah guys, so I'll just leave it here to I'll just leave it for a while. Even right. So now let's do the while I'm waiting for my tea. So these things are the ones that I'm going to use guys. Hibiscus leaf, guys, English. And then my cloves, and then let me look for other ingredients, and then we do the mixing. Says mixing other ingredients, which is fenugreek seed, fenugreek seed, dry rosemary, what leaf, this one is cloves, and then what leaf. All right, so yeah guys, let's do the mixing. So I'll use this container guys, then I'll soak it overnight. Can you see? Cloves, rosemary, fenugreek seed, hibiscus leaf, I don't know guys. Then I make sure I mix them here in the container. I want to soak it overnight. How would it look like? And then make sure you pour your hot water guys, your warm water. so that it will mix nicely. Hi guys, it's another day. So we are checking this out. Can you see how it is now? All the cloves are down here and the fenugreek seeds. Wow, everything is down. So now let's strain it, guys, and do our spray for hair growth. Okay guys, let's strain this water and then I'm going to put it here, guys, because I can't find my container. So that I'll be spraying it. This one is empty. It's now empty, so I'll just put my water inside. Then we are good to spray our hair. So I want to try it like almost every day. Like I'll just wake up, I'll spray my hair, and then take it from there, guys. We try everything. As you can see, my hairline is trying. It's not that bad. It's trying, but let's spray. Okay guys, that's it. So I'll be doing this like every day. I want to see, we'll see how's it going to do on my hair. So I'm going to be spraying each and every day. Spray in the morning, spray again next day, kanjalo guys. By the time because I'm thinking of removing this maybe by next week, because you see guys, the hair growth. Can you see the hair growth? Can you see it? Can you see the hair growth? So I have to remove this, guys, maybe next week. And this one is worse. Where is it? See this one, guys, is hanging. It's hanging. So I have to remove this next week, so that I'll deliver my hair tutorials, guys, for those who like to see and watch my hair tutorials. Yeah? So yeah guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys soon. Don't go anywhere, just stay tuned. We are still together. Hi guys, it's another day. So I just want to update you guys about something else. I've got a new channel, guys. I'll put it right here, so please go and subscribe. Support your girl, guys. Go and subscribe to that channel. It is only mainly focusing on hair. I'll be doing hair tutorials there. I'll be doing wigs. I'll be doing anything concerning hair, everything concerning hair and beauty, guys, on that channel. So please go and subscribe, guys. I will leave it again on the description below. I will put the link under, guys. So just go subscribe and like my video, so that the channel will grow, guys. And then thank you so much in advance, guys, because I know you definitely do that for your girl. So thank you guys so much. That's the end of our video. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Love you.